How important are games for you? The power of play, it basically tries to emphasize how important games are, how important play is. Just as we study other important parts of human culture, games should be a very, very important topic because it's so pervasive, it's so dynamic, and now it's so dominant.
我哋嘗試將 Espen 嘅研究拆做唔同 chapter， 然後好似遊戲入邊嘅 scene 咁樣做成一個展覽。觀眾參與其實透過佢喺呢個展覽玩完之後，佢對玩同埋遊戲有另外一個角度。遊戲其實有更加多嘅面向，遊戲唔係淨係遊戲啦，所以就證明到遊戲同玩嘅力量。
搬哥展覽館作為大學跨學科嘅平台咧，長期係關注同埋推動藝術以及科技嘅融合。今次我哋展覽咧，就除咗關於遊戲嘅一個簡略嘅歷史、一個簡史之外咧，亦都令到大家可以睇到一啲唔同嘅互動啦、唔同沉浸啦嘅技術，亦都包括當然一啲機械或者虛擬嘅實驗。原來遊戲係可以係一個學科，未來年輕人亦都可以加入遊戲呢個產業，幫助到香港嘅文化創意嘅發展。